guys, I just got the new MacBook Pro. Let's unbox it together.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed that unboxing. Now I'm going to give you some of my initial thoughts upon opening and seeing this whole product. And firstly, I am super excited to have this new MacBook because my old one, I got literally about 7 or 8 years ago whilst I was at university, and it has really tried for me. It still works surprisingly, but it doesn't work very well. It dies on me all the time, which is why I jumped up this morning and said, hell no, I'm not going into 2025 with a shoddy laptop that is ruining my productivity. So I'm super excited to get on my new laptop and start doing all the work that I need to do at breakneck speed, which is absolutely needed for 2025. And back to the actual product itself. So yes, it's very sleek. It does feel a little bit more fragile than my other laptop just because the screen is quite thin. So I would definitely want to make sure that I'm being safe and careful with this. I was also quite surprised to see that there was no touch bar. I mean, I did ask in store if I could have a touch bar because I do like the idea of the touch bar. I think it looks pretty cute, but they said that they got some bad feedback from it and they have discontinued it since. So this is the new look that you can expect to see from your MacBook, and there is no more touch bars available unless you get them secondhand or something. So besides that, I was also quite surprised to see that the charger is of this type. So we've got the USB-C on this side, and then we've got this charger on this side. And this is new. I've never seen this one before. I don't know what they're trying to do with it, and I don't actually understand the purpose because you can still charge your laptop with a normal USB-C cord, or so they said. Let's test it out. I have a USB-C cord here. Let's put it in and see if it actually charges. Okay, great, it does charge. So there's really no need for this, to be honest with you, but it's kind of nice to have just in case something happens to my USB-C, I guess. So I'm gonna keep this for safekeeping somewhere else. So I was quite happy to see that we also have some USB-C ports on both sides. So there's 2 on this side and also 1 on this side. There's also a HDMI cable from the looks of it. I'm not sure. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Is this for real, what I'm just seeing here? I can see a memory card slot, and this is perfect for me because I need to be putting my memory cards directly in here. Honey, if this is a memory card slot, then I am stoked. Let's try it out. I've got a memory card here, which has got 128 gigs. Let me see if I can slot it in here. Oh, honey, we are going up in the world. We are going up in the world. This is a SD card slot. So if you have an SD card like mine, I'm going to just pop it out. I shouldn't really do that. You should really eject it properly before pulling it out because you can corrupt this little chip. But hopefully it's all good. But yeah, if you have anything that looks like this, then you are winning. You can put it straight into your laptop. That is so cool and I absolutely love it because this was my previous setup, guys. Terrible vibes. I had to literally plug it into this SD card reader. I've got the USB-C cable thingy here, and then I plug it into my old laptop. So being able to eliminate this device to read SD cards, game changing, love it. I was also quite happy to see that I got this charging head because Apple these days are so unpredictable. You just don't know what you're going to get and what you're not going to get with your order. But I got the full package. Actually, I got the full package minus a duster. I would have loved to have a duster to keep my screen nice and clean, but unfortunately that didn't come with my package today. So yes, those are my initial thoughts on the MacBook Pro. I got, where are the specs? So I got the M4 chip, 16 gigabytes of memory and 512 gigabytes of storage, 14-inch MacBook Pro. Very, very happy with my purchase. Of course, I'm very easy to impress given the state of my last laptop. So I would rate this about a 9.5 out of 10. And I can't wait to use it and do all my work on it and have a better experience. If you like this content, let me know in the comments. And yeah, hopefully we can have some more of these in the future. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure that you are sharing this with your friends. Follow us on ReneeLouise.Tech, where I've also posted a reel about this, which is in more short form. I hope that you enjoyed this content and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.